Hey guys, Fred here, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors. Tuesday, May 22nd, just finished up a long weekend here in Canada. Just want to show you what we had going on today. Had an extremely busy day today. As many of you know, my wife and I run a family-owned business, convenience store. It used to be a laundromat. Here we have a gas station and of course convenience store, and as I say, we used to have a laundromat here. So our water, as you can well imagine, we needed a lot of hot water, tons of hot water for the laundromat to continue to keep things warm for washing. So as you can see here, I had Sharp Mechanical come in today and remove the old holding tank, which had a leak, and that was the main reason to get this guy out. This is a capacity 119 US gallons. So this was a 100-gallon tank. Had a recirculating pump, tons of copper pipe. As you can see, that's what was running through there. There was at least 40 feet of copper pipe through the recirculating pump right here. So this recirculating pump, and of course from there it was piped into the store. So what we did is this old boiler system that was in here, it has been since removed, and as you can see, there's tons and tons of room in here now in this boiler room, and it has now been replaced with an on-demand water heater, which is going to cut down my gas bill by almost 3/4, pretty close, at least that's what they say, by about 3/4 using this, because it is on demand now. It pumps to the house, to the flower shop here on this side of the door, and really that's it. That's the only two places that use it, is here. My two washers and my dryer here. Okay, so it was all replaced with PEX. So went from, what was it, 1.5 inch down to 3/4 inch PEX and all the connectors. So that was all changed. All right. So everything on this side here was replaced, and this is what we've got now. So gas line coming in, on-demand water heater, and it's fast. I went to the house. The house is quite a ways away from here, and I have to tell you, it pumped it fast. I don't have the pressure that I used to have with the extremely large line, but when you're running a shower, you're running a shower. When you're running a sink, you're running a sink. So this is the size of the line we had coming in. This is our line coming in. And as the stuff I showed you guys outside, that's a line that ran through to this portion. And once again, so this is all done now, so it's time just to finish cleaning up. Double walled exhaust and fresh air. So as you can see, this and the tank used to be there. You can see where it was leaking and rusted out. This is about I think we've had this almost 13 years. We've had this boiler. Still a good boiler, but for what I need, it is just way, way, way too much. Can't see dark in there. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys what we did today, and been a long day. These guys came, Ralph Sharf and his crew came 8:30, 9 o'clock to get the job started. I had to do a lot of moving around of stuff and clean stuff up, and as you guys can see, this is what used to run through along the wall, and of course all the takeoffs for all the pipes, all the water. All right, so that's my day today. So I just want to share that with you guys. So thanks for watching, and anyone in the Thunder Bay area looking for some work to be done, Ralph Sharp Mechanical, great guy, great service, and good prices all the way around. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Fred, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors, on a very dry, very warm Tuesday. Thanks for watching. 73.